Okay, so our lesson is all about room service for food and beverage service. Okay, so we have 5 learning outcomes. Ayan. So if you say learning outcomes, yan yung topic natin na gagawin. So we have learning outcome number 1, take and process room service orders, which is may 6 na content or 6 na laman na lesson. And then set up trays and trolleys, present and serve food and beverage orders to the guest, present room service accounts, and clear away room service equipment. Okay, so for our first lesson, it's all about information sheet 5.1-1, which is the takes and process room service orders. Okay, the room service provide guests with a food and beverage service in the privacy of their own room or suite. Room service is a feature in some way in the establishments that offers accommodation. So probably ang ginagawa sa room service is yan yung mga hotels. Ayan, kasi mayroong private room. Ayan. So ginagawa yan sa mga hotel room. So tinatawag na room service, yung mag-o-order ng pagkain and then i-deliver dun sa mismong guest room. Okay. So the different establishment including hotels, resort from 5 or 6 star to 1 star service apartment or villas and residential clubs offer different types of room service ranging from full compendium menu with 24 hours service to breakfast only, served in a room and ordered by the doorknob menu. Some establishments will have a separate room service kitchen and production area. In other, it may be part of the restaurant operation. So sabi dyan is ang mga tawag dito iba't ibang establishmento including the hotel, the resort, 5-star man yan or 6-star or hanggang sa 1-star or mga villas or residential clubs. Yan yung mga may mga different types of room service ranging from the full compendium menu with 24-hour service for breakfast. Ayan. To breakfast, to lunch, or merienda at kung ano-ano pa. So some establishment will have separate room service kitchen. So magkaiba po sa mismong restaurant yan. Pero yung ibang malalaking hotel, ganyan po yung ginagawa. Pero kung maliit lang, isa lang yung kitchen nila. So, which is doon pinuproduce or that is the production area ng kanilang restaurant operation. So, next is the types of room service. The breakfast is the busiest time with guests. Generally, ordering via a doorknob menu hang on the door. Ang doorknob menu is yan yung nakahang dun sa door, which is yung parang, ang style niyan is parang yung nakalagay din na katulad din siya ng do not disturb na mga signages kapag nasa mga hotel room or sa mga nakikita nyo sa mga doorknob. So, this may be collected by the variety of personnel, porters escorting other guests to their rooms, security staff doing their rounds, or housekeeping doing turn-down service, or can be delivered to the reception by the guest. Guests may also choose to ring direct and order at any time. So, sinasabit lang siya sa labas ng doorknob, yung tawag dito yung doorknob menu, which is nandun na yung order ng guest. And then may mga nagkukolekta, kunwari, may pumunta dun sa floor na yon, na banda ng floor, tapos may nakita na mga doorknob menu na nakasabit dun sa doorknob, kinukuha na yon ng mga personnel or kahit sino, security guard man yan, housekeeping man yan, or any personnel ng hotel na nagra-rounds dun sa kanilang area. So, pwede nilang dalhin na lang dun sa mismong receptionist para for the orders. Ayan. So, working in a room service requires that you have a good knowledge of the property. Ayan. Individual room layouts and room locations, the establishment room numbering, sequence, as well as a good working relationship with the housekeeping and front office department. Ayan. So, dapat yung tawag dito yung ating connection or yung coordination of two different or important department of the hotel, which is the housekeeping and the front office. Ayan, kasi po sila po yung nagra-rounds, sila po yung nakikita yung mga menu na nakasabit dun sa mismong doorknob. So dapat sila yung important personnel na nangangasiwa pagdating dyan sa pagkukuha ng mga menu, which is yun ang mga nakasabit sa doorknob. Okay. So room service duties including delivering complimentary items, guest specials, or amenities to the room. This may be gift from the hotel management to guests or the VIP regular or special guest as part of the package deal or for such function as cocktail parties, meetings, dinner, and kung ano-ano pa na mga function. Ayan. So, yun po yung mga tawag dito, yan yung mga ibig sabihin ng mga room service, yung mga nagbibigay ng mga special amenities to the room. Kunwari, may free bouquet dahil birthday ng isang VIP, di ba? And then yung fruit basket nilalagay or may gift na ibibigay from the management dahil kinuha niya yung promo. So may mga ganong mga tawag dito na mga situation or any functions na kailangan ng service ng room ng tawag dito ng mismong hotel. So the room service also service they use or courtesy rooms which are being used for the meetings for guests whose room is not available due to the guest early arrival. Room service provide food and beverage service in the public area of the hotel, such as the poolside or lodge area, the arranged packed lunches or picnics for guests who are going out for the day. Ayan, so yun yung mga tawag dito, yung mga types of room service. Ayan. So next is a mini bar. Is the self-service bar fridge in the each room. The mini bar contains miniature bottles of spirits and liqueurs, as well as wine, beer, soft drinks, and increasingly snacks and food items such as chocolate bars, biscuits, chips, etc. Tall bars, full-size bottles may also be requested by guests. Ayan. So, yung tinatawag nilang mini bar is yan yung refrigerator sa loob ng room ng guest. Ayan. Hindi po yung bar na alam nyo na may tumutugtog and then may bartender. Hindi po. Mini bar, yan po yung nilalagyan ng mga beverage such as the wine, beer, soft drinks, at any snacks or foods na pwedeng i-consume ng guest. Pero, added for the bill po yon if ever na makonsume ng guest. Ayan, depende na lang kung yung kanyang room is very high-end or pinakamahal na room, pwede pong gamitin yon. So, depende na lang kung added to the bill or pwede siyang consumables pa siya dun sa mismong binayaran ng guest. Okay. So, the honor system is which asks guests to complete a purchase docket. Minibars are checked daily to record consumption and stock quality and are restocked to the normal level with the usage charged daily to the guest accounts. Ayan. So, every day, kailangan i-check ng tawag dito ng mga personnel yung minibar kasi para maidagdag doon sa mismong bill ng tawag dito. If ever nabawasan, i-replenish lahat nung tawag dito. Kunwari, kahit isa lang na beer yung nabawasan doon, i-replenish mo pa din yung minibar. And then, saka mo siya i-account doon sa mismong bill nung guest mo. Ayan. Baka mamaya, nakaligtaan mong i-check every now and then yung ating tawag dito, everyday yung ating minibar. Nako, natakasat kayo ng guest. Diba? So, babayaran ng manager yung mismong na-consume ng guest. Ayan. So, yun po ang ibig sabihin ng honor system. So, next is the room service prices may vary depending on their item ordered because of the labor intensity of the room service operation. The room service department is a highly service-oriented area and not generally profitable. The menu has relatively high prices compared with the hotels and other food and beverage outlets. The guest often believes they are being overcharged in the room service and may complain. Ayan. So, iba po yung presyo talaga kapag nasa room na yung tawag dito, yung mga consumables or yung mga laman ng ating tawag dito. Kung sa labas is ganito lang yung presyo, pero pagdating dun sa mismong hotel or sa mismong